Hey guys, Lights, Fans, and More here, and today I want to show you these really cool 3-blade filters. These are really cool ceiling fan filters that you can put on your ceiling fan to collect dust and also clean the air in your room. It's a really great thing to put on your fan, and we're going to be installing them on my fan, which is the Litex Vortex 30-inch Hugger ceiling fan. Now, of course, it comes with 6 blades, and this one is a 3-blade packet. So I'm going to have to cut them, which isn't going to be a challenge. So let's go ahead and get started and start with the unboxing. So in the box, you will get 3 of the pads, and they have a sticky connection so that way you can attach it to your blades. But again, since these are 3 blades and they're also longer than the blade, I'm going to have to cut them in half. But of course, it will leave some extra stickiness there, but don't worry, it's not a big deal. So yeah, let's go ahead and do it. Here's what they look like when you cut them off, and so now I'm ready to install them. Now, to make things a lot easier, I'm gonna take the blades off this fan. Now, of course, it is possible to put them on with the blades on. See, I get good clearance to put them up, but I just like them to be nice and nice and flat and not crooked. Now, of course, it's not noticeable, but just for a nice clean appearance, if we ever have to take them off or anything, it just looks nice. So let me go ahead and take them off. But first, let's go ahead and remove the glass to make things easier to unscrew it. So, of course, there's the little things that hold the little dome in place. So, here you go. Now let's go ahead and take the blades off. Right, with all the blades off and the screws off, we're now ready to put these on. Alright, to install these, it's really easy. All you just have to do is take this, flip the blade over, peel off the sticky film there, and just stick it in place. I'm gonna have to use 2 hands. Right, with the plastic off, we can now go ahead and place it on the blade and hold it there for 10 seconds to hold it in place. So let me go ahead and do, and just like that, you've got a dust protector on your blades. And now with all 6 blades, with our dust collectors, we can now go ahead and put them back on the fan. I had to put the blades on off camera just because I was missing some washers, and sometimes it was hard to screw in just because of it slipping off of me while I'm screwing it in. But anyways, let's go ahead and put on the cover. Alright, with new dust pads installed, we can now go ahead and just turn it on. And that's our end result. And lights out.